Hello. So,
hello again.
What are we doing today?
So, we are switching gears now on the boat.
Yeah, all work stopped.
Yeah, well, it's not all work stopped, but the boat will be going into the paint shed in 2 weeks' time. So basically what we're going to do is get ahead on some of the prep work, because we haven't got time in the paint shed to do everything. So one of the things we need to do is all of these rivets.
Oh, my rusty rivets.
Some of them are just weeping a little bit of rust, and it's just where there's a small gap underneath, and obviously the primer hasn't got in there because it can't. So what I'm doing is just going round with Wizzy Wheel, wire brush, and just going around the rivet, and then what we'll do is put some rust treatment in there, just to kill any rust. Ooh,
hello.
Whoa, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put some rust treatment in there, let that go off, pop some extra primer on, and then we're going to go around with a sealant and seal around the edge of the rivet.
Have you brought that with you?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got a fair few rivets to do.
Yeah, when we had the boat built, the shell, we just wanted rivets on the front and the back, which we're quite pleased about now. So yeah, we haven't got that much of them to do.
Yeah, and to be fair, not all of them need doing. Like that one there is obviously sealed from the paint because there's no rust there.
Yeah.
So that'll be absolutely fine on its own. There's a little bit, so I'll do it anyway.
Yeah.
Where there's any doubt, I'll do it.
Sorry, car.
Where there's any doubt, I'll do it. And where there's obvious rust, obviously we're going to do that.
Yeah, it's tricky to see in the light. Right, okay, it's a scorcher, so we will carry on. Okay.
See you in a bit. What we're using is Cure Rust. I just happen to have this, that's why we're using it. But there's other products you can use, Vactan, Furtan, and many others. It's basically a rust converter. So just getting this into all the little nooks and crannies so that can soak itself in. And yeah. That'll be step 2. One sec. Okay. Hello, good morning. Right. So the labour of love that is the rivets. So
if you can see them.
Obviously, when these are welded in, sometimes they're not. There's a little tiny gap down the back, and then basically water gets in there and rusts. So what we're using is Tiger Seal, which is a body sealant. Use it on cars mainly. But basically, a little bit on your finger, and then you rub that all around the edge of the rivet.
I don't think I filmed that bit.
Hang on. I'll do some more.
That's okay.
So in around there, just so we've got a nice continuous line all the way around there. Just do the next one. Didn't need very much,
We've got a lot of rivets.
but there's a lot of rivets. Still got those up there yet to do.
Yeah, I know.
And then what we do is an old cloth, a little bit of white spirit on it, and basically rub it over. So rub it over first to get rid of the majority of it, and then just
Oh, that's
wipe
nice
it
and clean
round
now.
until you've got a nice line of sealant all the way around.
And then we give it a spray with the etched primer.
Yeah.
We've done all those, and we've done around the other side.
Yep.
Pointy finger, and now we're carrying on here. Luckily, we haven't got rivets all the way down the boat. They end just there, and then we need to do the stern as well. Right, we'll carry on with that then. See you later.
Bye.
So it's taken us a whole day to do all the rivets, any little bits and bobs that we've had to just sand and treat. We're just starting to clear up now. Oh, trip over some wires. We've done sanded and re-treated both the hatches that were looking a bit worse for wire, all the hatches on the tug, all the way around, all the way down, and then all the way down this side too. Oh, sorry, that's a bit fast. All the way down. So yeah, so tomorrow we're coming back and we are priming them all. So I think that's where we're on. Right, okay, we'll carry on tomorrow. See you later.
Bye.
So hello, just to show you where we're up to. We have now primed all the rivets. All the rivets at the top as well, on the hatches, all the way around, all the way down. Don't know if you can see, because of the sunshine. Back here, all the way down, all the bits that Wayne had gone over on the side of the boat as well, that's all now primed. So we're currently now sanding the roof, and I'm going to be priming the bits that we have sanded back in the stern. So we'll carry on with that. See you in a bit. So we've finished sanding the roof, almost. We've finished sanding the deck. As I say, we just weren't happy with the raddle. There you go, that's sanded. We're just tidying up now because this is the last day Tatton's going to be here. There's Wayne up on top. As of tomorrow, unfortunately we're not here so we can't film it because we're working, but she gets craned out of this spot onto a trolley or dolly, and she will be then towed all the way down there, oh gosh, down there towards the paint shed. And then so that's tomorrow, that's Thursday, and then Friday she goes in the paint shed. So tomorrow we're giving her a wash, another wash. Okay, we'll catch you then. Bye bye.